today we are doing fudgy brownies and with walnuts in it, and they're going to be delectable because for my ladies, you know when it's that time of month, what it's all about. The more chocolate, the better. So let's check out our ingredients. We have one of our 2 tablespoons of water. Once I empty that, the other one will go in. Instead of a 3rd cup of vegetable oil, I am using olive oil. 1 egg. You see the chocolate fudge icing. The brownie mix because I'm doing it the cheap way. Betty Crocker, hey. And our chopped walnuts. Let's get started. I'm going to try to pop you guys up to where you can see what I am doing. Okay, so we got our bowl. I've already washed my hands, rinsed everything out. Our baking pan. So let's go ahead and open up the icing. The brownie mix. And I am getting text messages, so give me a second, y'all. Y'all know me, I record and get messages. Okay, hold on, y'all. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. Y'all. Anyway, so I'm going to get these little lumpies out of here. Y'all know how pre-made mix comes. And it sometimes has little clumps of whatever. So I'm going to make a well in the middle to put my liquids. So there goes the 1 egg. 1 of the tablespoons of water. The 3rd cup of oil. Let me get my other water. And there we go. And now we are going to mix away. To make sure everything is consistent. And y'all, I really am trying to learn how to homemade bake some things, but when you're in a hurry, you just want like a cheat. And so you can even make a cheat good. Because wait till y'all see what I'm going to do to add a little bit more decadence to this brownie. So I'm already adding the walnuts, and I'm actually topping them with icing, which sometimes I don't do, but I really want like some chocolate. So So you just want to incorporate your walnuts into your batter till it looks like that. And then we're going to take our pan. And look, I have a piece of Godiva tart chocolate ganache candy bar. And we're going to pull this baby apart. And it comes in 4 squares. So I am going to crumble these pieces up and line it in the bottom of my pan. And y'all know this is the good chocolate, the good dark chocolate. And some of this will melt because it has a center to it. And then we're going to add our butter on top of it. And spread it out. Ooh, these gonna be some good brownies, y'all. Okay, so now we're gonna bake these puppies. You see the chocolate at the bottom. So I have the convection oven on 400 and on bake. So I'll get back with you guys. I'm going to clean up when these puppies are done, and I am about to ice them and cut them. Okay, guys, so this is the finished project, the finished brownies. It has some leakage on the side because I took it out too early at one point to check it. If you see the bottom, you'll see the pieces of chocolate Godiva that I put into them. So, finished project. Chocolatey fudgy brownie.